What do you do when your car doesn't start? Your first option is to ask a recovery to stop and pick up your car, but that's going to cost you around 100 dirhams minimum. Your second option is to ask people to jumpstart your car, but you're probably going to waste a lot of time looking for people to do that for you. And your third option is to have a Maagen compact power station. This toolkit comes with a battery, jumper cables, a charger in case you're in the desert, or a charger in case you're at home. This battery has its own flashlight, so in case you're in the middle of nowhere and you need to attract help. Plug the jumper cables into the battery, connect the jumper cables to your battery's terminal, and try starting your car. No need for a recovery and no need for someone else to jumpstart your car.